If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will keep the content coming. We have 70 vehicles coming in every week, new arrivals, all kinds of various damaged, repairable vehicles that we're purchasing from insurance companies. Right now you're looking at a 2017 BMW X5 freshwater flood damage vehicle. Vehicle came in, it was very low level water line in it, so we actually went through the vehicle. Everything works, it runs perfectly. As you can see, engine compartment is very clean. This vehicle was not submerged in water. You can see the headlights are clean, no corrosion, no rust. Really nice. Do a quick walk around. Body's really clean. We're selling this with a salvage title. Have to excuse the video, it's a little tight. A lot of cars in here. Take a look inside. Really nice. Sunroof. Carpets are completely dry. No corrosion, no rust in the tracks. Seven passenger. $44,000 miles. Have a check engine light on. Put it on the scanner to see what it is. It's probably the oxygen sensors because they sit very low in the car on the exterior. But it runs real nice. I'm gonna put it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.